Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable touch screen ignore repeat on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, then in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on Touch. Now tap on Touch Accommodations. Next, go down and tap on Ignore Repeat. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So if you have a problem with the screen recognizing you touches too quickly or too slowly, you can turn on Ignore Repeat. And so here, the duration in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. Ideally, this feature is useful if your hand shakes a lot and sometimes you may create an action where your finger tapping too many times on the screen. So this is a great feature if your hand shakes a lot, and you can turn it on so that it can treat multiple touches as a single touch. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.